Hi Weird for Beauty fans. Please be sure to subscribe and like and follow and visit weirdforbeauty.com for all of your skincare, makeup, and fun weird beauty content. Today I am doing an unboxing and a first impressions of Dr. Jart's Skin Transformer Superheroes. So this is a set I was really excited about, and it was actually sold out online, so I had to go into Sephora and purchase it, and there were only a few left at my local Sephora, so I don't know if there are any more right now. Maybe they'll restock for the holidays, I don't know. So Dr. Jart is a Korean beauty company. It's been around for a long time and it's really popular. So this kit is a $94 value, but I think it's for sale for around $50, and you get several, you get a big tiger cream, that's the really popular cream that I'm gonna talk about in a minute, a BB cream, and a whole bunch of other things. So let's go ahead and unbox. The packaging is super cute. It tells you what each superhero inside does for your skin. Each of the products are really colorful in their packaging, which may or may not be good for your skin. Let's see what's inside. So I'm gonna start, by the way, my skin is clean and I use Neutrogena's Hydra Boost to wash my skin. I'm gonna start here with the Hydro Water Fuse Hydro Sleep Mask. So this claims to prevent water loss during sleep for supple skin and improve your skin's texture. I'm guessing this is kind of similar to Hydro Boost Gel or Cloud Cream or any of those other kind of blue colored marketed skin creams that are really light and hyaluronic acid based. And my assumption was true. So this is a really light gel, and I'm guessing that it's mostly hyaluronic acid based. I'm just putting a little bit on right now to see how it feels for you guys. It's really light. So what I wouldn't do is use a product as marketed like this. I would not use a product like this as marketed. Because the main ingredient is hyaluronic acid, you may encounter transepidermal water loss. So with hyaluronic acid, it's going to absorb about 1,000 times its weight in water, supposedly. Now, where does it get that water? From the air and from the deeper layers of your skin. Once it gets that water, it can evaporate from your skin, so you need to seal it in with a thicker cream. Luckily, this kit does come with a thicker cream that you can put over top of this in day or night. So as another just reminder and pro tip, hyaluronic acid serums and lightweight creams like this, best to seal them in with a thicker cream, especially if you're older, you have dry skin, or it's the winter time. So this product also has niacinamide. That's an amazing anti-aging ingredient that is rivaling retinol right now in the superhero category. So I love niacinamide in most of my products. And then all of the products in this kit, all 7 of them, have questionable ingredients that either I'm not sure about or might not be amazing for your skin, that are just kind of trendy. Lavender oil, for example, really isn't going to do a whole lot for your skin most likely, and really any essential oils that are like really concentrated, like a flower oil or other kind of like strong essential oil, could be irritating to your skin, or the only purpose it is serving could be to provide an odor or a perfume. Perfumes of all kinds can be irritating to your skin as well, so be careful about that. But generally, they'll probably be low enough on the ingredient list that they shouldn't irritate your skin, otherwise this would have a lot of bad reviews. So now I want to take a look at the serums. Generally, I would apply serums before this, but I'm cheating tonight during the unboxing. This is Tinton Radiance Serum. So this one is a serum with lots of peptides in it. I checked out the ingredient list. It does also have some of that questionable stuff. We have algae extract. Algae extract can be good, an antioxidant. This has grapefruit peel in it, So the reason why they're calling it a Radiance serum probably is because it has some citric acid in it, which also can be irritating but can exfoliate your skin, so be a little careful with that. Here's another serum. This one is blue, and this one is a firming serum. That one is the one I'm gonna use this evening. I'm gonna try this out now. I'm gonna put that right on my nasolabial folds, pat it lightly under my eyes, and then spread. You can smell that this has fragrance, which to me is a warning sign in a serum. I wouldn't typically use a serum that is highly fragranced. This serum does include a lot of peptides, including copper, so that's a really good ingredient in your skincare. Copper can be rather expensive. Even the copper from Serum is quite expensive, so this is interesting. I can't wait to see how it is after a few nights of trying it out. So this is their really famous Serum Midden cream. This is, again, a thicker cream. This is a hydrating cream. This has ceramides in it, which are really good for the skin. And I'm just gonna try a little bit. It's a nice creamy texture, not much of an odor. Oh, now that I spread it on, I definitely smell flower or orange, some sort of perfumey smell. Okay. So this lotion also has the ceramides, turmeric, some algae extract, a whole bunch of peptides. It also has bergamot fruit seed oil. That again is one of those essential oils that are really, the jury is really out on if there's any science behind any kind of skin benefit in an oil like that. But I'm excited about this cream very much. Let's take a look at this little serum. This is in a different kind of container than the other serums. This is their Cicapair serum, Tiger Grass Repair Serum. So I know nothing about tiger grass, but that is certainly a star ingredient in a lot of the Dr. Jart products. I'm gonna take a look at this. Ooh, this is green and clear. So this has a bunch of leaf extracts, again, some peptides, glycerin, which is a humectant. So glycerin, like hyaluronic acid, is gonna draw in moisture, but glycerin also does help seal it in a bit. So you'll see glycerin in high-end and low-end skincare ingredients because it's like a good carrier, it's a good moisturizer, and it's just like really readily available. I'm saving the big guns for last, but this is the Dr. Jart BB Cream. I'm super excited to try this in the daytime, not before bed. But this is their broad spectrum SPF BB Cream in shade light-medium. Oh. It's really light and creamy, and it blends right in. Wow. So now the biggest full-size item in the kit, drop the spoon. It came with a little spoon, so that's cute. So this is the biggest product in the kit. This is Cicapair Derma Green Solution Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. It sounds very familiar to the Cicapair Tiger Grass Repair Serum. I'm not sure how these two are much different, except that this is a thicker cream. So this is good for people with sensitive skin and red skin, supposedly. So if you have redness, this is supposed to help with that a lot. This also does have SPF 30 in it, but they do say you can apply it AM or PM. I generally would not wear a sunscreen to bed, but I do want to try it out for you guys tonight and see what it's like. Whoa. Wow. This has a beautiful creamy texture, and it's so green and pretty. So I'm getting it out with this little spoon. I have to say I love the texture of this so much. Let's see if it gets rid of any redness. Green is supposed to get rid of redness. It is really green on my skin at first. I almost feel like this is a color correcting cream or like a BB cream, but it feels really smoothing and just like really moisturizing. It has a slight odor, but nothing too crazy. Wow. I actually do see my redness diminishing, and the green color completely disappears as the product rubs into your skin. It's like a little miracle. Okay, Dr. Jart. So this cream does have glycerin in it. It has a few weird things in it, like sage oil that I can't imagine do anything good for your skin, but that's low on the ingredient list. It has the tiger grass, which apparently is the color correcting aspect there that is supposed to be good for your skin. We'll see. And it has just like a whole bunch of leaf and root extracts that I have no idea if they're good or not, such as beetroot. Doesn't sound too terrible. Sativa, oat kernels. Oat can be really good for your skin, of course. And it does have some silicones in it. There's a lot of confusion about silicones out there. Some of them actually are great carriers of skincare ingredients and they do not clog your pores. So it really depends on the type of silicone, but they're not all scary and evil, so don't be afraid of silicone type products like dimethicone in your skincare. They're totally harmless. So this is really exciting. These products look really fun to try, and I love the packaging. I love the textures of them, and I look forward to giving you a full report back on Weird for Beauty's Instagram page on how everything is working out for me as I try them over the coming month. This cream really did diminish my redness dramatically. Like, I'm in shock right now. It went from green to like a blended BB cream almost. Hi guys, I'm holding the camera. This is a quick morning update. So like, I have a confession. I totally slept in the Spf Cream, which is the big part of the kit. I don't recommend that. It's kind of makeup-y and SPF, and like, it turns into a tint, but honestly, it stayed on my skin. My skin feels smooth and moisturized, and it didn't break out. So it passed the, oh my god, I fell asleep in my makeup test. But, you know, I realize now it's not really meant for a night cream. But, thank you. But, with that, thank you, Dr. Jart, and we will see you next time. Please remember to like and subscribe, and visit weirdforbeauty.com for lots of fun beauty products. Bye-bye.